Here's how to clone a voice on ElevenLabs. First, in the left sidebar, go to Voices. Then on the right side, click on Add a new voice. Next, either click on Instant Voice Clone right here, or if you want to create something a little bit more realistic, then click on Professional Voice Clone right here. In this tutorial right here, we're going to do an instant voice clone. But even if you do a professional voice clone, the process is almost the same. The main difference is really that for the professional voice clone, you require more audio material. In fact, you require at least 30 minutes of clean audio. So let's click on Instant Voice Clone for now to get things started. Then we add a name for our voice. Next, if you would like to clone your very own voice but don't have any audio recordings of your voice yet, then you can click here on Record Audio. And you can then record your own voice on the spot and then use that for your voice clone. If you do have some high quality audio of your voice already though, then you can click here to upload your audio. In our case here, we're indeed going to upload an audio file containing my very own voice. So I'll just click here, then we select the audio clip and click on Open. As you can see right here, you can actually add 25 different samples. So I could add up to another 24 audio clips of my voice. The more audio material you provide, the better the result's gonna be. However, we're just gonna use this one sample for now. Then if there's a lot of background noise in your audio file, you can tick this option right here to remove this noise. If you would like to further specify your voice, you can add some labels right here, but this is not mandatory. For example, if you would like to add that you have an American voice or British voice and then maybe describe the voice, you can add some labels right here. On top of that, you can also add a small description right here. Once you're done with that, tick this option right here to confirm that you actually have the necessary rights to clone this voice, and finally click on Add Voice right here. And our cloned voice is now ready. So let's check it out. So we click here on Use on the right side. We can now enter the text that we would like to use for our voice clone. Before you enter the text, make sure to click right here. And there you now have to select your cloned voice. So we click here on My Cloned Voice. And we can now enter our text sample.
This is my newly cloned voice. Let's find out if it sounds anything like me. Will my heavy German accent still be there? Or is my cloned voice going to sound like I'm American or British? I'm very curious to find out. So let's give it a try.
Pretty funny, right? It's actually pretty good. Once you generated your voice clone, you can always come here to Settings and you can then further fine-tune your voice clone. So you can either make it more variable or more stable, you can increase or decrease the similarity, or you can add some style exaggeration. So let us adjust these settings a little bit. Let's make it a little bit more stable, more similar, and let's exaggerate the style a bit. Once you have adjusted these settings, you will need to click on Regenerate Speech here at the bottom.
This is my newly cloned voice. Let's find out if it sounds anything like me. Will my heavy German accent still be there, or is my cloned voice going to sound like I'm American or British? I'm very curious to find out, so let's give it a try.
Yeah, what can I say? I'm pretty satisfied. So if you ever need an English voice with a very heavy German accent, then please let me know. And that's it guys. This is how you clone a voice in ElevenLabs.